Hi, I'm back again. This is my flower garden I wanted to show you. That's the bird bath that the birds don't take a bath in, so I put bird seed in for them. And usually I have a lot of birds in there. Today's another overcast day, so you can't see the mountains too good. Today's the day that Dale and Marvin are going to come and help Ken stain the porch. They should be here any time. It was real foggy this morning, but the sun is burning it out. And here's my flower wagon that Ken made me. I'm going to try to get the birds in here if I can without them flying away. We have a whole bunch of them. I've got 2 hummingbird feeders on the cart too. And usually they're swarming all over the place.
It almost comes out the color you stained it. It adds that color to it. Even though it's clear, it gives a golden color similar to that.
Where did the hummingbirds go?
Color. Now we got where I get little boxes cut from the actual book. You want to get started? I'm ready to get started. I don't know what happened tomorrow. That's funny. Left before I did. Left me standing there.
These are the golden finches.
It was a tremendous series game and sit with baseball's legends. There are some things money can't buy. For everything else, there's MasterCard.
Rocker got that breaking ball over for a strike. He throws very hard.
Boy, he's so emotional. He's 6'4" to start with, about 273 strikeouts in that few innings, 54 innings. That's amazing.
11 Padres have been struck out in this game. 9 by Maddox, 1 by Springer, worked a perfect inning. And Rocker retires Nevin leading off the ninth. 6-2 ball game. In favor of San Diego, or in favor of Atlanta, I should say. Swing and a miss for strike 1. Game directed by Ray Tipton. Our associate director, Kathy Oshie.
Water, the building block of life, the most abundant resource on the planet. And they have the nerve to charge you $1 a bottle? $1? Come on, what's up with that? Who's pricing this stuff? Well, at least you can get all your long-distance calls for only 99 cents.
That's right. Just dial 1010-220, and all calls up to 20 minutes are only 99 cents, and just 9 cents a minute after that. Any day, any time. No fees, no switching phone companies. Just dial 1010-220.
Cheers.
Howdy! Get in here! I'm watching the videotape for my bachelor party!
Thick-headed? Sure. But nothing compared to the rich, thick, frosty mug taste of an A&W root beer. With A&W, it's good to be thick-headed.
Boy, was that embarrassing! Here, let me rewind it.
Steering so precise. We're still trying to find a word more precise than precise. Intrigue. With state-of-the-art steering and suspension systems,
these teams ready to...
Princess. Princess. This is Princess, and she is 9 weeks old. Her name is Princess Carolina. Princess, come here. Look at me. Such a good girl. Princess, look at me. Hey, where's your ball? Where's your ball, huh? Princess, look at me. Get your ball. Princess, here. Here's your ball. Go get your ball. See? Bring it here. Bring your ball here. Pretty kitty. Bring me your toy, Princess. Princess. Pretty girl. Princess, look at me. Princess, look at me, Princess. Hey. Princess. Oh, Princess. Princess Carolina. Look at me. Hey, where's your balls? The pretty girl. You a pretty girl? Are you a pretty girl? Princess. Princess. Are you a pretty girl? Hey. Are you a pretty girl? Oh. Sit. Hey, let him. The two are playing. They're having fun playing. That's Tawny and Princess. Tawny, she's a baby. Be careful. Be careful with her. She's just a baby. She's a baby, Tawny. Be careful. Be careful, Princess. She's a baby, Princess. Be careful. Be careful, Princess. She's just a big baby. Jeez. What's the matter, Princess? Get her. Get her, Princess. Be careful, Tawny. Tawny, she's a baby.
Stand still.
Oh, I gotta get away from them. Now, Princess, be careful. Whoa! Tawny, be careful. She'll beat you up.
She got a drink.
Time out.
So fired up now she got a drink. Sarsaparilla juice.
Watch out, Tawny. She'll beat you up. It's time out. Go to your corners. Ring the bell. It's time to fight again. Round 3.
Still,
No? Are you done?
oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. Oh.
Go get it, Tawny. Tawn, go get it.
Here, Tony.
Move it fast. Make her jump for it. Get it, Tawn.
Take it, Tony. Take it, Tony. Take it, Tony. You little baby. You little baby. She got it over there. She's gonna take care of it. Come on over here, Princess. Look her a little closer, you can see if she dragged it over there. Oh my. That's her favorite toy. Well, she likes everything the big ones. Hey, Tiny. Come here to Daddy. Oh, you gonna bring it back to Daddy to play with you? All right. All right.
Take the brush and throw the brush.
Huh?
Throw the brush. Throw the brush. Throw the brush.
Here, Tiny, come here.
Throw the brush.
Here, here. Princess. Princess.
Throw the brush.
She's not gonna pull that brush.
Oh, she loves a brush.
She's playing with that octopus now. She can't get that underneath the divan. Wanna go here. Tiny, come on over here. Hey, baby. You want to be loved. You want to be loved too. Yes, we love you so. We love you too, baby. Yes, Silver's a good girl. There's a good little baby.
Where did she go with her brush?
Aren't you baby, good old sweet Tiny?
Okay, here we go. It's the last part of October, and the leaves are starting to change. It's getting cold enough now where they should be really changing soon. It's not the peak yet,